Lot S113 is a 1961 Chevrolet Impala Bubbletop with a 348 cubic inch V8 engine, 4-speed transmission, and air conditioning. And it sold for $62,700 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 63,113 miles. And the highlights are ground up build, 348 cubic inch V8 engine with tri-power, 4-speed manual transmission, power disc brakes, power steering, custom billet specialties billet wheels with Nitto G6 tires, custom auto sound stereo, air conditioning with modern sand-in compressor, and dual antennas. The price will give you a good idea of how nice a build this one was. Someone did a great job building it. It was a real nice looking car, especially with the two-tone white with the turquoise interior. They also had the custom cloth interior in it, the cloth inserts on the seats. 61 was also the last year for the Bubbletop. And this one didn't say if it came with the 348 with tri-power, so it probably was added by the owner, I would guess. And somebody upgraded it to power disc brakes, which is nice. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.